we want to be able to determine whether a function is odd, even, or neither. It's going to be one of the three. So if it's even, then f of negative x is the same as f of x. If it's odd, it's f of negative x is the opposite of f of x. And if it's neither one of those, then you just get something off the wall or crazy. So let's take a look at each one of these. And what you're going to do is you're going to substitute in minus or negative x in for every x that you see. So I'm going to find f of negative x. So that becomes negative x squared plus 6, which becomes x squared plus 6. Now, I noticed that I got exactly the same thing, right? So what I'm talking about is you want to compare the original with your outcome. Do they look the same? The answer is yes. And if they look the same, then this function is even. So let's try another one. Now I want to do the same thing again. I want to do f of negative x. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put in negative x cubed minus negative x. So I want to simplify this, and I know that negative x cubed is still going to be a negative x cubed plus x. So this is minus 7x cubed plus x. Now remember, it doesn't look the same, but maybe I could factor a negative out. So I've got negative 7x cubed minus x. So once again, we're comparing the original with what we obtained. And what we notice this time is that it looks just like the original, except it's got a minus out in front, which tells me that is going to be an odd function. Now, of course, there's a last one. You're probably saying, yep, it's going to be neither. Well, maybe it is and maybe it's not. But we need to know why if the answer is neither. So I'm going to plug in f of minus x. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put in minus x. And this time I get minus x to the 5th plus 1. Now, we can try factoring out a negative, but we notice that it doesn't really matter. So when we compare the original with either one of these, we notice that it doesn't obey either an even rule or the odd rule. So if you guessed, you were correct. This is neither.